Hi, I'm Carl, and welcome to the Wireframing with Figma session. So as you read the title, I'm going to use Figma to make the wireframing design of my sketch. So after you make the sketch, you surely want to digitalize it and make it into a wireframe. So what's a wireframe? So based on Wiktionary, wireframe can be described as a basic visual guide used to suggest the layout of fundamentals element in a web design or mobile application design. So how do you make a sketch into a wireframe? Easy. I mean, it's seriously easy. But before the wireframing process, please go to the community tab in Figma and search for Lo-Fi Wireframe Kit and duplicate it in your draft, as we are going to make a wireframe based on this creator's wireframe kit. So I assume that you all have already registered an education account, and if you encounter any issue with Figma and account, please message us and we'll help you sort it out. So after you duplicate it, go to the themes that you have just created and select the design system inside the theme. Click it and you'll be brought to the project folder, and move your cursor to the design system bar there and select add to favorite in order to pin this project folder into the sidebar. Once you have done that, now go to the draft tab and drag the Lo-Fi Wireframe Kit to the design system bar there, and just like that, you move the Lo-Fi Wireframe Kit into the system design project file. So once you have done this, go to the design system there and double click to open the Lo-Fi Wireframe Kit. After opening it, move your mouse cursor to the title bar there stated Lo-Fi Wireframe Kit community there and select publish style and components to publish the assets in this kit into your theme library. Beware that it will take some time to publish all those assets to your library. You see a pop-up stating that the assets are being published and we can continue with the wireframing work. So once you have published it, you'll be able to access this kit from your own design. Firstly, open an empty file and go to the Asset tab and press the book icon, where you will be able to activate the Lo-Fi Wireframe Kit asset into your current file. After that, you'll be able to see all those templates inside the Asset tab. Now, to start the wireframing process, you have to make a frame. Frame is your platform size, either the web or mobile, so basically, it's like a canvas when you're painting. To make frame, all you have to do is just clicking the frame tool located beside the move tool, which is on the top left of the window. If you look at the right side there, there's a lot of frame choices, and it has a couple of options such as phone, tablet, desktop, watch, paper, social media, and community. And we will be using the phone option. You can pick whatever size you want. But for this demo, I'll be using the iPhone 11 Pro Max size frame. And now it will be looking like this. The white rectangle in the center is your frame. You can change the name of the frame by double-clicking the name. I changed mine to login as this is the first page. So now you all have to do is just to make a wireframe look exactly like a sketch by using the shape tool and text. Okay, so now go to the asset part and we'll be able to see the library that we have just published. To simplify our job, I'm going to use the wireframe kit for the wireframing process. It's just a simple drag and drop process, and it's much easier. Just click the tool that you use and click it into your frame. And if you want to resize it, just pull the side of the shape and you can change it manually on the right side panel. Now, let's say you have explored the tools and made your sketch into wireframe. You can look at mine below. As you can see, the wireframe is a look-alike the sketch, and you should make yours like your sketch too. So the first one is the login page. So it's pretty clear that the login page of mine is pretty simple, just an icon and a form for users to fill in their mobile number to sign in. There's also links to sign up as well as help desk. You can easily double click any element to change its property as well as text inside. The next page will be the home page, where all the posts and updates from KKM, Malaysia's health minister, will go. At the bottom there will be a navigation bar for user to navigate between different pages, and I made the check-in button look different so that user can spot it super easily. Besides the item in the asset area, you can also draw your own shape using the shapes tool in Figma. After finishing the home page, we have arrived to our third page, which is the hotspot page. This is where user can easily see whether their location is considered a safe area or a high risk area. User can also search about the condition of other locations using the search bar. I've put a huge X behind because it indicates me to put an image of a map behind it when I'm doing the UI design. Followed by the hotspot page is the check-in page. In my check-in page, it consisted of few things, and they are the menu bar, pop-outs, and also the center there is the QR scanning area. I put a huge cross at the back as the same reason as the map hotspot page, because I'm going to put image there in the actual UI design. And this is where users going to check into places when they're visiting shop or going somewhere. After scanning, there will be a receipt pop-up just like the MySejahtera app in your mobile phone. This is an extra part where I think it's necessary, but I didn't plan it inside my sketch. So in this page, user will be able to see whether they are successfully checked in or not, and also the details like shop names, time, date, and also user risk level. After that, here comes the statistic page, which the user can see the latest cases and updates to the COVID-19 cases in either in a country scale, state scale, and also on a global scale. User can scroll around and see those updates in chart form. Here comes the last part, which is the profile page. This is where the user can access the extra functionalities like help desk, digital health, and so on offered by MySejahtera app. User can also edit their username, location, and password from here as well. At the bottom there will be the My QR part where it will show users' personal QR that are required for verification purposes. So that's it. We have made a wireframe. Now let's move on to the next step, which is finalizing the design and putting color on other stuff. Thank you and stay safe.